beautiful beige tablecloth, matching napkins. Not going to use this plane. Thanksgiving plates, little chargers. I have these little grateful signs. They were yard signs. I just took off the back. Gold chargers and a gold runner and gold flatware. So let's get it together.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Sophisticated Saturdays. This month we are joined by Tammy over at the Glam Queen of Decor. Thank you so much for guest hosting this month, Tammy. Links to all of our channels will be in my description box below. So go ahead and sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy as I finish putting this beautiful Rustic Glam Tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the end. This tablescape right here, honey, this tablescape right here is a little bit of rustic, a little bit of glam, and a whole lot of gorgeousness right here. So let me tell you a little bit about some of the items I've used. The turkeys, candle, glassware, runner, and candle holders are all thrift finds. The placemats and turkey plates I got from Home Goods, I believe it was last year. I also got the beige tablecloth with the matching napkins at Home Goods last year. And this came together beautifully, and I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you like today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. As a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. So come on and join the ladies of elegance for some tablescape fun. And Sophisticated Saturdays every second Saturday of the month, where we have a guest host and a theme. Be sure to check my community tab for the latest information. I thank you so much for watching and for your awesome support. And until next time.